His hands were all over me last night. Now Miranda's fingers are in his hair. I step into the kitchen. Everyone stares. Ranger's at the island, Miranda beside him. Her hand moves through his hair, slow, possessive. She looks right at me and smiles. Ursa bursts in. Where were you all night? I can't answer, can't say I was with him, with my mate. The others crowd around, laughing, pointing. Miranda's voice rings out, pointing to Alpha. Did you get a whiff of her? She stinks. Max sneaks over with food. He sniffs the air, frowns. Suddenly, he shouted to the Miranda, I stayed the whole night with Lucy. Are there something wrong with that?